Australia's actually done a really good job at flattening the health curve of this pandemic. But we now have a challenge. We need to make sure that the mental health curve of this pandemic stays flat. Many industries have been affected, but we know the arts and entertainment industry has been terribly affected, and we have a long journey ahead of us. There's many things that we can learn from this experience to build a better, more robust, more certain arts and entertainment industry. But that only happens when we bring everybody along with us for that journey. You need to stay well. The people around you need to stay well, and you need to stay safe. If at any point you feel like you are in crisis, call Lifeline, call Beyond Blue, call 000, go to a hospital emergency, call somebody. There is always someone you can speak to. There is always somebody who wants to help. There is always support you can receive. Do not be alone. If you feel like feelings of anxiety or depression or any other mental health concerns are making it difficult for you to progress through your day, if you have a past experience and you feel like your symptoms are escalating, or if you're having feelings or thoughts that you haven't had before, seek help and support early. At the moment, telehealth services are available, so take advantage of them. Call your GP, talk about your symptoms, and look at appropriate ways that you might be able to seek support. You may be able to access Medicare psychological counselling services. There are also free services. They're obviously very in demand at the moment, but there's also a lot of support and extra provision of service available. And due to telehealth services, you may actually have a pick of somebody that you might not normally have the access to in regular circumstances. Talk to somebody. Even if you're not ready to seek support from more formal services, speak to somebody. Keep in contact. Often the first conversation is the hardest one to have. And for that reason, check in on those around you. Sometimes it's difficult for people to have that first conversation. So ask people how they're going. Make sure people know that you are somebody that they can call if they need support, or if they need a chat, or if they need a distraction. We need to keep talking, we need to keep checking in on each other, and we need to keep realising that support is there and available for you. Seek help early, seek help often, and make sure that we are all staying safe, healthy, and well. There are lots of numbers that you can call to seek support, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But we're really lucky that we also have the Support Arts Wellbeing Helpline. The person on the other end of the phone is a trained clinician who understands the arts and entertainment industry. When you pick up the phone, they will know what you're talking about. They will know what the usual stresses are of working in this industry, but they'll also know what the additional stresses are at this point in time. They can be a really great first place to call if you are feeling concerned. They're a great second place to call if you need help or support or referral to other services. If there's someone that you're worried about, even if they don't want to share their conversation with you, which is fine, make sure that they have the number to call to. The Support Arts Wellbeing Helpline understands what it is to be a performing arts practitioner, someone who works within the performing arts sector, and they're there to help 24 hours a day. Make the call.